Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add page border in Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To add page border in Google Docs, go to Google Docs and open the document where you want to add page border. In my document I want to add page border here. First of all, I'm going to show you how to add page border in this section. Just click on insert and then click on drawing, click on new. Here just click on shape and go to shape and select the shape. I'm selecting the rectangle. Now just drag on the field. Now I am changing the color. Click on border color. I'm changing the color to dark blue, and I can change the size of the border. I'm changing the size to 8. Now click on save and close. Look, the border is here. Now click on the border and click on three dot icon here. This is the image options. Click on all image options. Expand word wrapping. Now under style, click on behind text. And now I'm going to move the border and I can change the border size. In this way I can make border for a specific area, or if you want to make a border for whole your document page, just again click on insert, click on drawing, click on new, click on shapes and select the shape, draw the shape, select the border color. Now I am going to select yellow, select the size of border, now click on save and close. This is the border, and click on the border, and here again click on behind text, and now I'm going to make the border for whole page. This is the easiest way to make border in Google Docs, and now you can work with your text as you wish. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.